In this video, we're going to use the same technique of factorization in order to simplify the fractions, but this time we're going to need to use quadratic factorization, including sometimes the difference of two squares result. So beginning with this fraction here, on top what we have is one square number and another square number, and we're taking the difference between them. So straight away we know that we can use the difference of two squares result to rewrite this in brackets like that. And on the bottom we can factorize that by taking out a common factor of 2, which leaves us with x plus 1 in brackets. On top and bottom the x plus 1's cancel, leaving us with just x minus 1 over 2. As before, we will factorize the top and the bottom. On top we can just take out a common factor of y, leaving us with y minus 3 in the brackets. On the bottom we'll have to use quadratic factorization because we have a trinomial, and so that will become, we'll have a y in each bracket, and then we need two numbers that multiply together to give negative 3. So that's going to be 1 and 3. One of them will have to be negative. And then if it were negative 3 plus 1, that would make the negative 2 that we need in the middle there. So this must be y minus 3 and y plus 1. We can now cancel the y minus 3 on top and the y minus 3 on the bottom to give us just y over y plus 1. This time we have a quadratic trinomial on top and on bottom. So again, we'll have to factorize them both into pairs of brackets. Okay, now we need two numbers that multiply to give negative 21 and add to make negative 4. This is likely to be a 7 and a 3. It will be negative 7 plus 3. And now in the denominator, two numbers that make negative 14 and add to make negative 5. So this could be a 2 and a 7. And a negative 7 and a plus 2, that would do it. And so now we can see that we can cancel out the a minus 7's, leaving just a plus 3 over a plus 2. Here are three more fractions for you to try simplifying using quadratic factorization. Remember the difference of two squares result if you need it, which I can guarantee you will at some point. You can use either your mini whiteboards or a sheet of paper for your working. Pause the video and then when you're ready, press play again. The solutions will appear one at a time.